Hey YouTube, Incendar here. Yesterday I did an update on the power leveling contribution using cooking and alchemy, and I just realized that I missed one thing I really wanted to cover. And this was a comment in one of my 1 second cooking videos a while ago. I couldn't find who made the comment, so I can't say who it was, but thanks. And I think this can help out some people. One of the things I've always used in the videos to get the cooking time down really low is this Teff sandwich. I don't think I've actually ever made this due to the ingredients. It takes 0.5 second off your cooking time, which is quite significant and can really help people get down to that 1 second. And the suggestion was, just if you can't get these sandwiches, I did pre-order in the marketplace and I got lucky a couple times. People put in 50 or 100 up because it is actually really hard to make. Uh, but the suggestion was just use the Teff Bread, and that takes 0.3 seconds off. So if you're having any problems with these sandwiches, you can still use this Teff Bread. So here's the differences in the ingredients. You can see the Teff sandwich needs the Teff Bread, grilled scorpion, snake stew, red sauce. Kind of a pain to make, kind of hard to get these ingredients, at least in any large quantity, quickly. Teff Bread just needs Teff flour, mineral water, salt, and leveling agent. You can actually, I just bought, someone put up 5,000 of this Teff flour, so that's really easy to get. But of course, you can just grind the Teff to make this flour. And the other three are NPC items. So piece of cake, right? And that'll take 0.3 seconds off your cooking time. Well, I guess that wraps that up anyway. Thanks a lot. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.